Hey there, aspiring coders. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to start coding but didn't know where to begin, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to dive into the exciting world of coding. Whether you want to build websites, develop software, or pursue a career in tech, this video will equip you with the knowledge and resources you need to get started. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Before we start coding, it's essential to understand the basics. Let's begin by defining what coding is. Coding, also known as programming, is the process of creating instructions for computers to follow. These instructions are written in programming languages, and they enable us to build websites, applications, games, and much more. The first step in your coding journey is to choose a programming language. There are numerous programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and purposes. Some popular languages include Python, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby. It's crucial to research and understand the characteristics of different languages to determine which one suits your goals and interests the best. Once you've selected a programming language, the next step is to set up your development environment. You'll need a code editor, which is software that allows you to write and manage your code. Some popular code editors include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. Additionally, you'll need to install a compiler or interpreter specific to your chosen programming language. Now that you have your development environment ready, it's time to start coding. Begin with simple projects and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Online platforms and coding tutorials can provide you with step-by-step guidance and practice exercises to reinforce your learning. Remember, coding is all about problem solving, so don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes along the way. To excel in coding, it's crucial to engage with the coding community. Join online forums, participate in coding challenges, and collaborate with other coders. Sharing your work and seeking feedback can accelerate your learning and expose you to new ideas and perspectives. Remember, coding is a journey best taken together. And there you have it, our ultimate guide on how to start coding. We hope this video has inspired you to take the first steps towards becoming a proficient coder. Remember, learning to code is a continuous process, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy coding, everyone!